Okay, we're gonna get straight to the point. You have an issue with your stick, you want to replace it. So this part right here pops up, not super hard. Get some up under the lip, get it up, boom. The stick itself also just pops up. Just pull it up pretty hard and it'll pop up just like that. Remember, when you pull this out on the bottom, it has a plug. You got to unplug and make sure you plug it back in when you're done. Remember, you have two sides. This is the side that you push in and out, and this is the opposite side. All right, picked it out. Now unfortunately, this is the old one. It created damage on the stick, so you might be able to find a more creative way of getting it out. When I did it on this one, it didn't damage anything. It just came out no problem. This one gave me a little harder time, but I mean, it is what it is. Now we need to look in there. So what we want to do, we want to push this out. All right, so you can push it out with this right here. See if I got good light, right? I'm pushing this out, and what I'm doing is I'm pushing all the way out till it pops out like that. All right, that's how far you need it out whenever you go to put it back on. Now the reason why is because there's a little gray tab in there. All right, so this little tab right here has a little hook on it. All right, it has a little hook. See that? It's going up. Now it's all the way up. Now it's down. When I do it, it goes up. That little hook right there has a hook in to your car. It's going to hook into this part right here. Now, the problem is we need to get it up. We need to get the hook out the way. See the hook up there? That hook right there. You see it moving? Now that hook has to go into this hole right here. Now we need to push it completely out the way. The way we do that is by pushing this all the way out. Let's see if we can get good. Well, we're gonna push it all the way out like that. Now when you push it all the way out, that hook goes all the way back. You see his back? And you see that hole? That stick is gonna come up in the middle of that hole. Let me see if I can show you. All right, so get it on there, and I slide it down. All right, see that? It's up in the middle. So here's your stick that I showed you earlier. See that? All right, and there's the little hook. All right. So now I'm going to push this button in. And when I push that button in, the hook is going to come through this hole. We need the hook to come through this hole so that the shifter will work. So let's push the button in, and boom, you see? Now it's up in the hole. And that's how that works. When you're done, you just put this back in. Boom, back in. And don't forget to plug your shifter back in. All right, we're gonna make sure we plug that back in. All right. So I got the engine taken apart, so I don't want to turn the key on because I don't want lights on the dash that I don't need. But thanks for watching. That's how you fix the shifter in a Volkswagen Jetta. I believe it goes to the Audi as well. And some of the other Volkswagen brands. And this is going in the trash.